Hello, my friends. This is Melanie with Melanie Smith Stamps, and today I'm excited to be hopping along with the Trinity Stamps February new release hop. I am a guest designer for them this month, and the link will be in the description to hop along with all of us. We are going to be creating this rainbow background in the video today, so make sure you stick around for that, as it'll be a lot of fun. Now, as I mentioned, there is a $25 giveaway in this hop, so make sure you check out the form down below. There will be a link for that, as well as the link for the playlist, so you can hop along with all of us. Now, this here is the egg-shaped card. It will create a card base in the shape of the egg, which will allow you to add either the basket that we showed first or this topper here, which is the Happy Easter add-on. This one can also be done as a shaker card or as is for a quick and easy card, which I thought was really cool that they all coordinate together. So here is the actual card base. It does exactly measure A2. So that's perfect. But today what we're going to do is create a rainbow background for that basket at a 5x7 size. So this here is part of their Simply Sentimental line. I've got two of the die sets, Easter and Faith. Now they have actual stamp sets that go along with the sentimental line. So you'll want to make sure you check those out because the two together work wonders. I only received the die sets, so make sure you check into that. Now, this is adorable, the trio of Peeps. I added it there to my Easter set just to save on storage space, but you see the sentimental dies have a shadow and an inner die, so they go along very well. This here is the At the Cross die set, and the BetterPress Babes are being sponsored by Trinity Stamps this month. It's on February 26th, I believe, at 8 p.m. over on Stationery by Justine's channel. Don't forget to put that on your calendar. Now, for our background, we're going to start the tutorial here. I'm using Distress Oxide colors in the regular primary colors, but only in softer hues. So we have a pink instead of a red, then we have a yellow, and we have a really soft blue. So I've started with pink on both ends of my rainbow. Now I'm bringing in yellow, which I'm going to go right beside the pink here. And in between there, we're going to begin to see orange, but I'm not too concerned about it right now. Right now, I'm just trying to get the color down on the paper, and I'm making sure to clean the desk in between applications so that we don't pull in colors we don't want in our areas of the rainbow. So here I'm adding speckled egg, and this color here will create purple in between the pink and the blue. Now these blender brushes I'm using are really large blender brushes, and they just take the oxide ink well. I was given a blending buddy, blending buddy brush by Trinity Stamps, and I cannot wait to play with it. I have not used it just yet because I want to use it for dye-based inks. And these are oxide inks, so they're a hybrid style of ink, and I did not want to use my blender brush on this style of ink. So I wanted to go ahead and save that, and I probably will be investing in more of Trinity Stamps Blender Buddy brushes. They also sent me two of their Sidekick shading Sidekick brushes, which I'm also excited to play with in the future. So here I'm adding more pink and blue together to get that purple, and I just worked each of those colors. And if that was hard going at that speed, make sure you hit the little icon and choose to slow that down for you. You can choose to mute your settings so that you don't hear me sound like Mickey Mouse, and you'll be able to watch that slowly back for you. Now this is Trinity Stamps pickup tool. They sent that to me to use, and I love using pickup tools to be able to, move my die cuts around, get my die cuts off the plate, and definitely pick up my embellishments with that wax side. So I've added the grass pieces here, and I'm just going to add the rim of the handle to the top of the basket. And I've left this opening where I can just slide in my eggs where I want them perfectly, like that. And now we're going to do the bow. This is glitter card that I'm using, so it's going to need a little weight there on top for a second. So we'll go ahead and grab some milk chocolate ink by Altenew, and I'm going to go ahead and ink up our chocolate Easter bunny. While I'm doing that, I will just mention to say that craft roulette is also being thought of in the making of this card. The parameters this week are a 5x7 card, summer dessert colors, a chalkboard element, and a bottom border for random. So here are my 5x7 card size, and my background colors are my summer dessert colors. My element of chalkboard is the color scheme of my sentiments. And then I'm going to have a bottom border just inside my card because I wasn't sure exactly how to do that on the front of this card. So I'm going to put a little border strip, probably from another rainbow piece that I created when I was practicing. I'll cut a border and put it on the inside. Now here is where I've used another little stamp set that I had, and I just stamped out the word enjoy and added it, and heat embossed it and added it to that little tag there at the top. So now my card says enjoy Easter. Now while you're hopping today, make sure you don't forget to click on those links in the descriptions. One of the links will be to the playlist so you can find everybody's video. And you'll also need to make sure you enter the Google form for that $25 gift card from Trinity Stamps. So don't forget to do that. Speaking of Trinity Stamps, look at the goodies that they sent me. They have the most amazing bling, and they also sent me some replacement tips for my tool in this box of miscellaneous, which is where I'm getting the ones that we're using on our card. These are the shading sticks that I told you, the Sidekick, and this is the blending buddy brush. I love how smooth the actual bristles are. Can't wait to begin playing with those. They also sell little rainbow handles, so you can make one each color of the rainbow. So now I'm adding some white and black sparkle spots to my card just to kind of tie in my chalkboard theme here in my sentiments. I wanted to bring in that black just a little bit more in my design so that it didn't look out of left field. So adding that black and white sentiment to me looked a little dark for my pastel background. So I thought I would add some bling and shine, and then I added a black background border just to tie it all together. And I was really happy with the way this card turned out. Now I hope you will hop with everybody along the hop today. We have a lot of amazing designers, and I know you will just enjoy your time with us.